Hey Laparinos, it is Avi and we are back for Dicemas Day 11. No Jake today, unfortunately. His feeling, what's the opposite of bright side? His feeling not so great. He's just not well. That's okay. We're going to send him our best. We're going to send him our Christmas wishes, and we're going to roll some dice for him. I didn't even look at what we got. Oh, it's really nice. It's just kind of smoky. It's got some little bits of gold in there. So it's just a nice, very sort of pond life D8. I like that. That's soothing. What a great way to start a Monday. Hey! And she's lucky. Now, there was a little bit of unpleasantness, a little violence here yesterday with Daniel eating his dice yesterday. We're just going to go over there and see how he's doing now. And for those who were wondering about the unpleasantness yesterday with Daniel, you can see here, he's fine. He's totally fine. Anyway, we're going to be doing one of these each day in the lead up to Christmas with our Advent calendar. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Say Merry Christmas, Daniel. See, it's fine.